Visit to a water park. Let's see a family visiting the water park.
Wow, look at the giant water slides.
This is going to be so much fun! 4 tickets, please. There are your tickets. Enjoy your day.
Wow, I want to try all the slides.
Welcome to Splash Park.
The water park is so beautiful. Let's start with the wave pool.
Always stay with your family in the water.
Safety is very important at the water park. That slide was so fast!
This water park is amazing!
I am very hungry now.
These burgers look delicious.
Eat well. We still have more rides to enjoy.
I want to try the giant bucket ride.
Let's rest for a few minutes first.
My ice cream is so yummy. A bucket is so fast.
We are all soaking wet now! Today was the best day ever.
I am happy we came together.
We will visit again soon.
I don't want to leave the water park.
We can come again next summer.
Today was a beautiful family day.